Hi there, welcome to Sterlinx Global. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the specialists in Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in traditional business and e-commerce. Today, we will be decoding USA tax compliance for e-commerce business. We will discuss USA tax compliance for e-commerce business, exploring ways to optimize compliance while adapting to changing regulations and maximizing business growth. Let's start talking about the impact of economic nexus, the transition from physical presence to economic activity. Traditionally, the sales tax nexus for e-commerce businesses were determined solely by physical presence in a state. However, the landmark decision in South Dakota v. Wayfair Incorporated in June 2018 changed the landscape. States began implementing economic nexus laws based on economic activity thresholds, meaning businesses may have sales tax obligations even without a physical presence. Adapting to rapidly changing state rules. Tax planning holds immense importance as it enables individuals and businesses to retain a larger portion of their income, channeling it toward achieving financial objectives. By implementing effective tax planning strategies, one can legally reduce tax burdens, increase savings, and generate wealth accumulation and growth opportunities. With these changes, you need to consider evaluating your e-commerce platform. While expanding your online sales strategy, consider assessing whether your chosen e-commerce platform supports sales tax compliance. Beyond facilitating growth and enabling the addition of new products and sales channels, your platform should provide seamless tax calculation, reporting, and remittance capabilities. Now, let's move on with ensuring optimal USA tax compliance. To optimize tax compliance in the US, it is important to keep in mind the following aspects when re-evaluating your shopping cart or e-commerce platform. First is tax rates, tables, and geolocation. Using tax rate tables or relying solely on zip codes for tax rate determination can lead to inaccuracies. Tax rate tables require manual updates and do not provide product taxability information. Zip codes do not align perfectly with tax jurisdictions, potentially resulting in overcharging or undercharging customers. To ensure precise tax calculation, choose an e-commerce platform that offers a sales tax solution with up-to-date rates, accurate product taxability information, and geolocation capabilities. The next aspect is product taxability challenges. Product taxability rules can vary significantly across states. Shipping and handling taxes, exempt sales, and adding new products can pose challenges. You need to understand whether your products are taxable, exempt, or subject to special tax rules. Another consideration is selling across state and international lines. Expanding your e-commerce business to multiple states or internationally adds complexity to tax compliance. Each state has its own set of rules, tax rates, and exemptions. Similarly, international sales involve understanding and complying with the tax regulations of different countries. The next one is managing exempt sales. Exempt sales, such as those made to nonprofit organizations or government entities, require careful management to ensure compliance. It is important to keep track of exempt customer information, validate exempt status, and maintain proper documentation for audit purposes. And the last aspect we have to consider is selling through multiple channels. Many e-commerce businesses sell through multiple channels such as online marketplaces, social media platforms, and brick-and-mortar stores. Each channel may have different tax collection and remittance requirements. In an attempt to perfect tax compliance for your e-commerce business, challenges are inevitable, so let us discuss steps to overcoming challenges with technology. Effective tax planning requires strategic thinking and the utilization of various tools and techniques to optimize tax outcomes. Here are some key approaches to consider. Next is Choosing the right e-commerce solution. Selecting the right e-commerce solution is vital for seamless USA tax compliance. Look for an e-commerce platform that offers robust tax automation features, including real-time tax calculations, automatic tax rate updates, and integration with tax software or services. Consider the platform's scalability to accommodate future growth and changing tax regulations. A comprehensive e-commerce solution can alleviate the tax compliance burden and provide peace of mind. Another solution is addressing tax rate updates. Tax rates can change frequently, especially at the state and local levels. Keeping track of these updates manually can be time-consuming and error-prone. An e-commerce platform that automatically updates tax rates based on the latest regulations ensures accurate tax calculations. It eliminates the need for manual updates and reduces the risk of miscalculations or non-compliance. You also need to consider streamlining exempt sales management. Managing exempt sales can be complex, as it involves validating exemption certificates, tracking renewal dates, and maintaining accurate records. An e-commerce platform with built-in exemption management functionality simplifies the process by automating certificate validation, sending renewal reminders, and securely storing exemption documentation. This streamlines exempt sales management and minimizes the risk of non-compliance. And lastly, consolidating information from multiple channels. Consolidating sales data for tax reporting can be challenging when selling through multiple channels. An e-commerce platform that integrates with various sales channels and provides centralized reporting capabilities simplifies the process. It allows you to aggregate sales data from different channels, calculate taxes accurately, and generate comprehensive reports for tax filing purposes. Finally, we will be answering some frequently asked questions about USA tax compliance for e-commerce businesses. What is the best state for e-commerce taxes? Determining the best state for e-commerce taxes depends on various factors, including sales tax rates, economic nexus laws, and other relevant regulations. However, states like Delaware, Oregon, and New Hampshire are often considered favorable for e-commerce due to their lack of sales tax, making them attractive options for online businesses. What items are exempt from sales tax in the U.S.? The items exempt from sales tax in the United States can vary by state. However, typical examples of items that are often exempt include prescription medications, groceries, clothing in some states, educational materials, and certain medical supplies. It's important to note that exemptions can vary, so it's best to consult specific state regulations or a qualified tax professional for accurate information. How much is business sales tax in the USA? In the United States, there is no national sales tax, and therefore, there is no standard rate for business sales tax. Sales or use tax rates vary by state, ranging from 2.9% to 7.25% at the state level. Additionally, in 35 states, local governments impose an additional sales or use tax ranging from 1% to 5%. Stay up to date with e-commerce tax regulations, consult with tax professionals when needed, and regularly review and refine your USA tax compliance processes to ensure ongoing accuracy and adherence to the changing tax landscape. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We hope you have decoded USA e-commerce tax compliance for you. For more professional advice on your tax accounting needs, consult us by visiting the Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy our content and want to explore more about similar topics, please like and subscribe to our channel. To stay updated, why don't you have a look at our other social media platforms? The links are in the descriptions below. Once again, I'm Jay from Sterlinx Global, and I will see you in the next video.